In this video, I'm going to show you how to add captions to your videos in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import your video to the timeline. Select the video layer and go to text section in the toolbar. Click on add text to create a new text layer. A text box will appear on your video. Type in your desired caption. You can also adjust the font size, color, and the position of the text to match your video style. Just repeat the process until you finish captioning your desired duration of the video. This is how to add captions manually. Now, let's look at an even easier way to add captions using CapCut's auto caption feature. This feature automatically generates caption based on the audio in your video. To use auto caption, go to text section and click auto caption. Select generate. CapCut will analyze the audio and automatically generate captions for you. Once the auto caption are generated, you can now review and edit them to ensure accuracy. Adjust the text size, color, and you can also select CapCut preset. To make our captions more dynamic, let's add animation. Select the animation that best fits your style and add it to the track. Play back the video to preview the auto captions and make any final adjustments. If you want to adjust the timing, just drag the text layer to your desired location. Once you're satisfied with the caption, save your project and click Export button. And that's it. You've successfully added captions to your video using both manual and auto caption methods in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!